I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Setting up an eSIM on your Huawei device with Rogers can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before activation, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Get your eSIM QR code. Contact Rogers customer support or visit their website to obtain your eSIM QR code. This code is essential for activating your eSIM. Step 3. Open mobile network settings. On your Huawei device, go to Settings, then select Mobile Network. This is where you'll add your eSIM. Step 4. Add eSIM profile. In the mobile network settings, look for the option to Add Mobile Plan or Add eSIM. Scan the QR code you received from Rogers to set up your eSIM. Step 5. Activate your eSIM. Once the eSIM is added, make sure to select it as your primary mobile plan. You may need to restart your device for the changes to take effect. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double-check that the QR code was scanned correctly and that your device is connected to Wi-Fi during the setup. Good luck with your new eSIM.